So, hello guys. Ngayon pala, manonood tayo ng Wednesday. Tignan natin. Parang weird din yan ang babantay sa kanya eh. Wednesday lang yan. Huwag na ka mga arte eh. Look. Baka yung matanda sasabihin nila. Sino yung pinunta niya? Di ba yung kapartner niya yung babaeng yung buhok? Basta maganda pag kagaya ni Tututu.
The sanctuary where we can discuss anything. What you're thinking, your views on the world, personal philosophy. That's easy.
Okay guys.
I see the world.
So ngayon, parang nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
So, for instance, when someone bullies your brother, your response is to dump fire. I love you, son. Everybody night to a sword fight. Unless it's concealed. The point is you assaulted a boy and showed no remorse for your actions. That's how you're feeling. You lost the test. I did the world a favor before I accomplished something else for you. I've answered all your questions.
Ay, hindi pala ito sa akin. Pala ito. Wait.
Ayun.
Yes. Head.
It can teach you new ways to deal with your emotions. It can also help you build a life that you want. And now the life that I want. Tell me about it.
Yes.
Everything said in the sessions is strictly confidential. Do your plans involve becoming an author? I understand you've written 3 novels by a teen girl detectives, like for Daredevil. Can you tell me about them? They're very smart, perceptive, crime and misunderstood. Are you reckon your work published? Everybody's a short set of 4 to 5 stories. One wants to describe my writing as gratuitously morbid and suggests this is
Good. Ito yung ano ko sa TikTok. Ito yung ako sa TikTok. Tignan mo guys.
I've always been open to trying this with me. I'm glad to hear that.
Nakikita nyo ba?
Because I was set that manuscripts as part of your psychic cognition.
Nakikita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo ba? Kasi parang kasi ng ilaw. Wait lang.
Once you're part of this journey requires us going to uncomfortable places and
Ito.
I'm proud to love you. Did you bring this up?
Nakikita nyo ba talaga? Nakikita nyo ba? Sige, i-reveal ko na lang yung pangalan. Kim Jun-hee. Malalaki yung ano yun ha? Malalaki.
You can't hide in there for the rest of the session.
Kanina yan guys, kanina. Cute. Ito din o. My profile meanings. Sleepy. Offline. Online. Playing Roblox. Watching TikTok. Sino nakatapos dog the core of Wala Tower? Boring? Don't worry. I can play with you. Here is Boy Using. Sad Boy 144. Ito din. Wala na itong songs, guys. Ito. Ito din, oh. Una, can you play with me? Not yet. Look. The enemy. Basta tignan nyo lang yung sa ano ko, nandun sa talaga. Kim Jun yan ha. Ito yung profile. Tignan nyo. Ayan, o profile. No profile. Basta tignan nyo lang yan. Nandyan yan. Hindi naman ako i-follow. 10 followers palag ako. 0 ako. Yes, 2 ako dyan. At 94 likes. Grabe ko na talaga kasaya kasi 94. Ang lucky. Oh my God. So, yun lang yun guys. See you in the next video. Bye!
What about training?